Them know. Them down your man. They don't get fun, man.
Watch what you chop.
Shit. Oh shit! Come on, you chop one, chop it. Chop chilling, please, chop it. Come on, put me this up. Chop it.
Oh, you're not dead.
Kill me, chop.
Where you there? Oh, you're part of. Hold on, man, come, shush.
Raise me.
Me know.
Man, you put on the chop on you. The man put on the chop on you. All the chops still knock me one you.
No,
I'm gonna put it.
No,
After
you
me,
can enjoy. Drink some, John. Drink some. Yeah, good then. Come on, feel it, drink it. You drink this up, right?
Yeah.
Then they over with somewhere, man. They might try to plan something. They might try to plan something. Bit of ask, though. I know.
Every man.
You never drink the mini first.
I never see the mini, dog.
Man, mate, like, yo, take up some mats.
Yeah,
Take up some mats, must say so.
With Max, man.
Oh, alright, then the over with, man. Let's stay over with. You have a chop? No, not chop. Well, left it right, over to them, push car, and you come down for good. What is the say? RPG, you want the RPG? Bandage, and oh, yeah, you're good then, man. The fuck?
When you now bring that?
Bring what?
This.
Oh, P90? What, bring what? Grenade launcher? I got two sniper then. Me on the rockets. You have rockets?
You have 12 dogs.
That don't make sense, me and you have them. You want to carry this inside the RPG because you can shoot multiple like that?
Shooting.
You have campfire?
Yeah. You need it?
No, need it. Let's see. I have 7 minutes where I carry a healable.
No, I carry no healables.
Alright, yeah. Oh, good, right? To still don't have to use the rift. Can use the rift when we have to get with still. What you want to do? You want to go back up at top?
You want to go back up at top, yeah? Put on a chop if a man run you down, hold on.
Yeah. Can just jump back down here. Put it round right, one right jump, one right or so.
One me have, man.
Oh, alright then. Yeah, shit. Then go up at top or them right behind the wall now. You there?
Yeah.
In the outside, that's it, no? Yes, in there. Hold on there. Can be up at top too, dog. Lock the door. You're up at top then there. Lock the door there. Up at top then there, no? The man stick gold weapon, dog. I'm throw dynamite. Move. Wait out this for them still, man. Wait out your door for them. I'm gonna run over mid now. I'm gonna fight somebody now. Wait, they ignite. Shouldn't come on my side. I'm gonna throw more dynamite.
Okay.
I ain't sure, man. They must have clear to see what they're doing. They man, somebody fight them. Then soon see them come down, man. After we knock one team, Johnny, as we knock, if we knock a team, we move.
Yeah.
Tell them, Come on, you continue to man.
You see, dude, they now come down there far.
They know, man. Watch out. They might come down now, you know. Yeah, they might come down, man.
On the storm, no.
I know, they might come down, though. Man, give one of them one blood clot each shot.
You see them?
No. And they have a top still, man. They still have a top, man.
Give them money.
We have 2 launch pads still, so we're Gucci.
I know launch pad, me have reef.
Oh.
And I like say.
They want to loot Johnny, but they know somebody. They know somebody down here. Them above still, man. They want to come down for you loot Johnny, but we can't wait till this time come, man. I'm gonna give them with pussy clot. We can't wish for the circle there. Yo, let me tell you one, Mr. Zoom up. Alright, let me tell you which way you go. You go right us up on the top of the hill. Where marker there.
You want to jump down now, yeah?
They want to come for you loot, man, not. You don't even tell me. Come here, they want to throw more dog. Bomb buckle! You're not a shield, Danny.
Oh, she fucking self.
Knock one. More man come from outside, Danny. Me kill them. More man there. Kill them, huh? Good.
On the take out the RPG ammo there. On the stand.
You have 9 minutes.
Right now.
Yeah, go. Remember what to push them over there. Where they? Oh yeah, go up on the top, go on the very top. Yeah, and build up. What the fuck? You grenade me, Johnny?
No.
Oh, what? No, they're on the bottom, they're in the house.
Yeah, man, they're in the house, man. You rift. Shit. I nearly dead it on you.
Where rift there? You're gonna rift too. Oh, you want, alright, go down for him.
On the other bridge.
Yeah. See, pussy, man. I'm go down, man. Johnny, I dead, Johnny. You shot him?
Shit. You good?
Come on, I'm good, man. If you reload, my submachine gun door. If you reload, I'm reload. Him be over here with me, man. Magic mini. Just shoot you up, shoot you up.
Yeah, man. Oh,
you kill one?
Shit.
Wow, you good?
Actually,
Me have minis. You kill the other one?
Yeah.
Big run it, dog. A one man left. Who win this? Who win this? Careful, dog.
Take up. Yeah, man.
The man miss. The man miss a wall then shot, dog. One day, when I shot it to blood clot. When I shot it there. How I shot? Oh, see that. Alright, last man, they can go start go to your circle, man. If you're going to reload it.
When you see me, sir, see right there, son, you. He right there, son, you. He thinks he can, you. He right there, son. I got the boy.
Bumbo clot, yo. 5-2 kills. Nice. Easy clap, guys. Let's get it.
But Travis,
yo.
Highlight it, can you do better?
Alright. Come show you highlight, man. You have to stop it first, right?
Don't stop the live stream, just keep it moving.
Let me see. Highlight.
Just click highlight, right? Go on the page and you see it under the video.
Alright. Easy clap, guys. Under the page where I highlight there. So why mine not show like this?
What do you mean? Go under the page and you see create.
Where you say in edit video?
No. It's under the video. You go